If you're feeling overwhelmed by Blender's shader system, you're definitely not alone. That was me 8 years ago when I first started using Blender. Over time, I've developed a toolkit of techniques for creating literally any material that I can imagine. Now I've distilled that knowledge into the Essential Material Guide. In 3 hours across 23 tutorials, you'll learn how to master material layering, realistic micro scratches, edgeware masking, and camera interactive techniques. Plus, you'll learn how to animate textures for dynamic effects and so much more. If you're a beginner or even an intermediate Blender user and you would like to learn how to make materials like the pros, the Essential Material Guide is the course for you. Grab the course today and you'll get free access to 2 future updates, which will eventually double the amount of content in the course at no extra cost. Right now you can save 35% on all of my courses with the code SAVE35 at Gumroad.